Hey everyone! Today's story has to do with some snow. And now that we're in January and we did get some measurable snow over our winter break, it's been fun to be outside and doing some different activities that you can do in the snow. And today's story is titled Avalanche. Now, the fun part about this book is it's another alphabet book. So we're going to go through the entire alphabet A to Z and see the story keep building and building and progress as we turn the page and are introduced to the next letter in the alphabet. Our story today is written by Michael J. Rosen and it's illustrated by David Butler. And I love what's on the cover. On the back cover, you see all the letters of the alphabet. So, Avalanche. And here's our title page. And you can see that we have some snow over here on this page. Once there was an avalanche that started out quite small. It all began when Bobby tossed a harmless looking ball. So there goes the harmless ball that he tossed, a snowball. The snowball sailed across the yard and it struck a cat food can. It caught the doghouse in its path as though it had a plan. So there's the cat food can down here and the doghouse here. But this looks really interesting. This ball seems to have grown. The ball uprooted evergreens and it widened, wobbled, fattened. It toppled someone's 4-foot fence, which froze around it, flattened. So as that snowball keeps going and the pines that it uprooted, there's the doghouse. The doghouse is almost not able to be seen anymore. And the fence that's stuck in it as it rolls. The Green's garage fell under next. Both cars were gone. What luck! And then the snowball overturned a giant garbage truck. Hey, what's the big idea? Yelled Irene, the traffic cop, and the icy orb absorbed her words, and no, it didn't stop. Liftoff! The snow unearthed a jet and took it for a drive. The frosty kingdom touched the clouds. That snowball was alive. So look at the jet now. The snowball seems to be flying. How can that be possible? It blotted up a lengthy lake and then smushed a mountain range. Each nation that the ball engulfed, it wholly rearranged. So not only did it start out in the boy's backyard, it now looks like it has been to places like even Paris, France, a different country. If you look really closely, hopefully you can see the Eiffel Tower. The oceans doused the growing globe and iced our total planet, just like prehistoric times when glaciers overran it. There's the North Pole. The snowball flew through outer space where questions all retreat, and bygone rainbows float along whose lives were short and sweet. The stars within the zodiac lit on the snowball's brow. And so did time, and then someday, too late, so soon, and now. What else was left to feed the ball? It filled the universe. The only place that it could go was somewhere in reverse. And so the vacuum in the cosmos clutched this cold compound and then rewound it round itself and hurled it homeward bound. So there goes the snowball. It's sucking it up. And it looks like it's coming back out. And if you look really closely, there's lots of things that are part of this whole snowball as it went along and as it ended up in outer space. So it's really hard to see on video, but if you were to look at this book in person, you would notice the different things that it has accumulated along the way. With every twist, something split off, returning to our world. Each question, ocean, lake, and jet uncurled and downward swirled. X marked each spot where something stood before the snowball's theft, and each thing landed back in place. Or had it ever left? As for you, you might have seen, or maybe might have heard, the alphabet that's rolled inside this avalanche of words. And when finally that small white ball descended to the snow, Zippy Bobby's dog, he caught it. Gadzooks! What a throw. The end.